Most people get this wrong. They assume all banks just hold your money. But Everrise Bank in 2026 is built to actively help you grow it. With smart savings tools, high-interest accounts, and modern digital features, it's more than a bank, it's a financial growth platform. Everrise offers checking and savings accounts with competitive rates and minimal fees. One of the standout features is its automated goal-setting system. You can set targets for things like an emergency fund, a vacation, or paying down debt, and the app will automatically move money into those accounts based on your income and spending patterns. This isn't just convenient. Small, consistent contributions like this can turn into thousands over a few years. Another key feature is predictive spending alerts. The app monitors your activity and upcoming bills, letting you know if you're at risk of overspending or missing a payment. This helps avoid overdraft fees and keeps your finances on track. The dashboard also gives a clear, visual breakdown of your money, showing exactly where it's going and how close you are to each goal. Security is robust, with multi-factor authentication, bank-level encryption, and real-time fraud monitoring. Your funds are insured, and customer support is available via chat, email, or phone if you need help. The only real limitation? Everrise focuses on banking and savings, so it doesn't offer advanced investment services. But if your goal is smarter, automated money management with tools to help you save and plan efficiently, Everrise Bank delivers. So, is Everrise Bank worth it in 2026? Absolutely, for anyone who wants a modern, secure, and proactive way to manage and grow their money. Subscribe to stay updated on the best financial tools to optimize your finances.